Hello everyone. Today I will briefly discuss e-governance, what it is about, pros and cons, schemes, etc. So let's begin. What is e-governance? E-governance is nothing but electronic governance, which can be defined as usage of information and communication technology, that is ICT, by the government to provide and facilitate government services, exchange of information, communication, transaction, and integration of previously existing services and information portals. Now, what is ICT? ICT is information and communication technology. It includes television, radio, internet, smartphones, to classroom equipment such as interactive whiteboard, touchscreen, etc. Example of e-governance include Aadhaar card, which has an unique identification number given to all the Indian citizens. It was created or it is created with the help of digital biometric identification system. Payment of online taxes is done with the help of internet and computer. Management of land records can be done by digital land management system, etc. So these are example of e-governance. Now let's briefly look at the history of e-governance in India. E-governance originated in India during the 1970s with a focus of in-house government application in the areas of defense, economic monitoring, planning, and deployment of ICT to manage data-intensive functions related to election, census, tax administration, etc. The establishment of Department of Electronics in 1970s was the first major step towards e-governance in India, as it brought information and its communication to focus. National Informatics Center (NIC), established in 1977, launched the District Information System program to computerize all district offices in the country. The main thrust of e-governance was provided by launching of NICNET, that is National Informatics Center Network, in 1987, the National Satellite Based Computer Network. Why there is need of e-governance? The aim of e-governance is to provide smart government, that is simple, moral, accountable, responsive, and transparent government. It ensures citizen participation at all levels of governance. It leads to automated services so that all works of public welfare is available to all citizens. It revolutionizes the function of the government and ensures transparency. Each department and its action is closely monitored. Public can get their work smartly done and save their time. It provides much better services to citizens and bring government close to public. Public can be in touch with government agency. It cuts the middleman and bribery, if any, from the picture. Now let's see types of e-governance. The first type is government to government. The definition of G to G is the transition between the central, national, and local government and between government department, agencies, and organization. It enables live fingerprint scanning and verification if employees are getting inside their office, so it can be verified easily. Electronic entry of reports and paperwork, etc. Example, e-police and e-court. Government to citizen, that is G to G, is transition between government and citizen. It enables online registration of birth, death, marriage certificates, healthcare, education service, filling of income taxes, etc. For example, grievance redressal and monitoring system, issuing driving license. Third type is government to employee, that is G to E, is transaction between government and employee. It includes online conference for employee, online training of employee. Example, integrated government online training program. The fourth is government to business, that is G to B, is interaction between governments and businesses. It enables getting a license from government, secure electronics transaction, helping to create a more transparent business environment when dealing with the government. For example, government e-marketplace, India handmade bazaar, etc. Now let's see few examples of e-governance. In 2006, The National E-Governance Plan was formulated by the Department of Electronics and Information Technology and Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances that aims at making all government services accessible to the citizen. This is the logo of National E-Governance Plan, and their motto is एक कदम आपके और एक कदम आपके लिए. Now, National E-Governance Plan has enabled Digital India in 2015 to empower the country digitally. Its main components are developing a secure and stable digital infrastructure, delivering government services digitally, achieving digital literacy. Now, Aadhaar card, which is Aadhaar, is a unique identification number issued by Unique Identification Authority of India that serves as proof of identity and address on the basis of biometric data. It is being used to provide many benefits to the members of the society. One can e-sign documents using Aadhaar. MyGovernment.in is national citizen engagement platform where people can share ideas and be involved with matters of policies and governance. Now let's see some state level e-governance initiative. First one is Bhumi project. Bhumi project is jointly funded by Government of India and Government of Karnataka to digitize the paper land records and create a software mechanism to control changes to the land registry in Karnataka. Second is Friends, that is fast, reliable, instant, effective network for disbursement of services. That is in Kerala is a single window facility to pay taxes and other financial dues to the state government. Lokmani project in Uttar Pradesh is a single window solution relating to the handling of grievances, land record, maintenance, and providing a mixture of essential services. The pros of e-governance is that it is convenient, flexible, and efficient. It reduces cost and time. It is efficient for grievance redressal. It reduces corruption. It facilitates participation and civic engagements. So people are able to engage and share their opinion online with the government. The cons: system rigidity, no human touch. For example, if there is application filling for admission in college and the filling of document is online, the student might not have particular document mentioned in the software portrayal, creates blockage in the software system. Hence, the student have less chances to get admission because of lack of human touch during the admission process. The privacy issue can be understood with the example of Aadhaar issue, that why the citizen have to share their data with the government when they want their privacy. Digital illiteracy, when people in India are not even literate enough, digital illiteracy is a major problem. It creates a digital gap of haves and have nots. Having a computer and internet access is people who are above poverty line, and what about those who are below poverty line who cannot access those applications? The cost of implementation: internet, computers, mobile phones are not cheap. They are very expensive and money is hard to earn. So cost of implementation is also a con. So concluding, I think on one hand, e-governance is helpful for the biggest democracy in the world for 138 crore people. It saves time and makes government process easier. But on the other hand, it is creating digital divide, loss of employment, and replacing bureaucracy with infocracy. But I also think too much use of Wi-Fi, computers, and phone is not good for health and environment. But e-governance helped to register for COVID vaccines and grievance redressal in the hour of need. So it is balanced situation. But too much use of e-governance or too much use of Wi-Fi, computer, and phone is always not good for health and environment. So that must be taken care of. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you. Subscribe if you like it and share it.